Style, minimalism, and design. You are going to love this Scandinavian farmhouse that combines functionality with beauty. I'm Courtney Calla with Pinnacle Homes Group. Welcome home.
Designed by Rebecca Andrews Design, you're going to absolutely love the ocean views from this house and the fact that it's situated on a half-acre west-facing backyard. For more information on this beautiful home, visit our website at pinnaclehomesgroup.com or check out 10740bayfield.com.